Today, let's look at 6 alternatives to Adobe products for web designers. If the amount of money you're spending with Adobe continues to grow as your agency grows, then these tools will completely eradicate that monthly cost. Hey, my name is Lee Mathew Jackson. I'm the host of the Trailblazer FM podcast, and I am so proud to be a Cloudways Maverick. Today, we're going to look at 6 tools that will completely replace Adobe products in your agency, thus saving you lots and lots of money. Money. Might have overdone that a little bit. Let me tell you a very sorry tale. Many moons ago, when I was but a wee lad with big long locks of flowing hair, I had Adobe Creative Suite for my agency. It was ridiculously expensive, at least to me. I found it really hard to use. I found it really hard to onboard my team with it, and I would dread the bill at the end of the year. I felt trapped in the ecosystem. Was anybody gonna save me? And yet, fast forward to today, the happily ever after, and I've only ever had to spend a little bit of money up front, and now I have no monthly costs. I have products that are really easy to use, super easy to onboard my team on, and I am living that happily ever after. Am I selling this? I should be selling this, because I did this video already, and one of the alternatives was Figma, and hey, Adobe just bought Figma, so I am pretty sure that the alternatives I'm giving you today would run far, far away from Adobe should they ever approach. Mainly because most of them are open source, which means free. So out of these 6 alternatives, the first 3 are a low upfront cost with no other costs. And then the final 3 are open source, which means 0 costs. Do note, all of these do have the cost of learning to use them. You've got to work out how to use them. You've got to put them into your workflow. So, unpopular opinion, if your agency uses Adobe products and you are super efficient and you create amazing work, maybe Adobe is right for you. This really is for agencies who want to save money and perhaps struggle to use the Adobe ecosystem as it stands and want to find better alternatives. Number 1, to replace Photoshop, we use Affinity Photo. This is a 1 upfront fee. It works on both Mac and on PC. That rhymed. I feel pretty proud of that. The user interface is so close to Photoshop, it's unreal, and it works with PSD files. This is perfect for us as we do collaborate outside of the business with other designers who do use Adobe products, and we're able to bring those PSD files in, edit them, edit the text, which is something you find hard to do outside of Adobe products, and then send it back. It's amazing. We absolutely love the product. It's on all of our machines and I must open it every single day. Definitely worth checking out. All of the links for these will be in the description below. Number 2, to replace Illustrator, we use Affinity Designer. And yes, there is a theme here. It's the same company. Again, this user interface is very similar to Illustrator and yet has a few perks that make it far easier to use. It can even open those AI files that you may be collaborating with externally, and you can design amazing vector graphics. There's no limitation to your creativity. I absolutely love this product, and like Affinity Photo, this one gets opened regularly. Number 3, InDesign. Now we've replaced this with Affinity Publisher. Like the previous 2, 1 upfront fee, and then you're good to go. This works very similar to InDesign, allowing design to print for books, magazines, you name it, you can do it. I'll have to confess, I don't use this within our business, our print designers do, but take it from them, they absolutely love it. There was nearly no learning curve for them moving from InDesign over to Affinity Publisher. So those were the first 3 that actually cost a little bit of money, but if you were to add up the monthly spend that you would have with an Adobe product, those upfront fees are the equivalent of maybe 1 or 2 months, and then you're done. And that is per user. The next 3 alternatives are open source, which means they're free forever. There is no cost every time you add a new employee. It's still free. Just download for the relevant platform and off you go. So number 4, to replace Adobe Audition, we use Audacity. I run a podcast. It's very important that we are able to edit the audio, and with Audacity, we can edit in multiple channels, in mono, in stereo. There are tons of effects. We can get rid of all of that background noise. We can add bass, we can level things, and we can make our podcast over at trailblazer.fm. Yes, that's a plug. Sound awesome. Go ahead, check out the podcast and enjoy the clean and crisp audio of me saying, "Welcome to Trailblazer FM." Am I stretching this? Am I stretching out this promo a little bit too much now? Sorry, Cloudways. Thank you, Cloudways. Number 5 to replace Premiere Pro is Kdenlive. Kdenlive is a phenomenal open source application. It works on Windows, Mac, and on Linux, and has absolutely everything that you would expect from a professional grade video editor. It has handled everything that we've ever thrown at it, including 4K video. And finally, number 6, to replace Adobe XD for prototyping, we use Pencil. I don't mean a pencil, I mean pencil. Pencil is an open source product with a great name. It allows you to create those prototypes. Again, like Kdenlive, it is cross-platform, working on Mac, Windows, and Linux. It's very intuitive, easy to use. You can build out those prototypes, and they even provide templates. So if you want to check out Pencil or any of the products that I've mentioned in this video today, go ahead and check out the notes below. Whilst you're down there, feel free to leave us a comment and let us know what Adobe alternatives you use or you would recommend and why. Also, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ding that bell notification icon. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up. If you disliked this video, give us a thumbs up. Oh, and if we don't see you in the comments, why don't we see you in the next episode?